Inventions by research institutes in Malaysia have been gaining popularity over the years, and at Itex 2016, this year we have seen the participation of Sirim. And with me right now is Nick Marzuriani, Nick Muhammad. She is the inventor of the Borehole heat exchanger. Now let's get to Nick to explain her product and why it makes sense in the Malaysian market. Well, Nick, let's look at your product right here. And in Malaysia, we are a tropical country. So why would your product make sense to users in Malaysia?
Right. In Malaysia, we know that for solar drying, we have a drying process which is we use solar at daytime. But when at night time, there is no heat to dry it up, yeah, because solar is always for 8 hours a day. So this borehole here is actually to store the heat from the daytime to be used for the nighttime, used for the drying for the nighttime.
So Nick, at what stage is the development at right now, and what's next for your invention?
Right now we have our modular of borehole behind here, and we are trying to commercial it at the next level.
And have you received a lot of interest so far from the market?
Right, yes, especially the industry from, we have agencies from agricultural agencies and also the fisheries agencies, which is quite convinced with the borehole heat exchanger.
And how long have you spent developing your invention?
2 years.
Okay, Nick, so I understand that this is not the first product of its kind in the market, but somehow your product or your invention will be able to offer something new, something different. So tell us more about that.
Right. Okay. Borehole heat exchanger is is a method for storing the heat. Yeah. Okay. We have also in the market we have that storing heat with two choices. One is with water storing and also PCM, phase change material. But because of not so many people like to deal with chemicals, therefore we introduce another method for storing of heat, which is that we don't have to use a chemical at all. It's quite green because we just dig a hole underground and we just import our heat into the ground. That's it. And for at some period of time, which is that we need to use the heat, we just extract the heat from the ground. That's it.
Well, indeed, green technology is the way forward, and I wish you the best of luck in your invention, and it's a pleasure speaking to you, Nick.